Hi, my name is Rebecca Lyons and I'm Head of Culinary Development here at eMeals. And we are super excited to let you know that we have partnered with our friends at Fresh Cravings to bring you some mouth-watering tailgate recipes featuring their hummus and their salsa. They're going to be fantastic for your next tailgate. One of the recipes featured in this occasion's plan is a super easy black bean and corn dip. I'm going to show you how to make it. Super simple. So I've got 2 cans of black beans that I have rinsed and drained, so they're in the bottom of this baking dish. And then I'm adding a bag of frozen corn. And sprinkle that over the black beans. And then we're adding a container of the Fresh Cravings Pico de Gallo. Just spoon that over. I mean, this couldn't be easier, right? And now we're adding shredded cheese. So easy, so simple, and so delicious. Shredded cheese on here, and then you can always top it with some queso fresco. And we're going to bake it at 350 for about 20 minutes until it's hot and bubbly, and then you can serve it with tortilla chips. Some other delicious recipes on this occasion's plan are our jalapeno popper meatballs. It's a meatball wrapped around cream cheese and baked, topped with bacon and a sliced jalapeno with a delicious avocado dipping sauce. And another one is a chicken shawarma slider that is made with Fresh Cravings honey jalapeno hummus, which is delicious. So don't forget to check out this occasion's plan on the eMeals app or on the eMeals website. And look at our YouTube page for more videos with tips and tricks like this one.